Chingu! It's currently 10:23 p.m. and tomorrow, aalis daw kami papuntang Singapore. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Kakauwi ko lang from work and let's pack. It's just going to be a 3-day trip, guys. Di namin alam kung ano yung pupuntahan namin dun. So, naghahanap pa kami ng wala pa kami internet. Ibubuk pa namin. So, good luck. And tomorrow, 7 a.m. kami aalis papuntang airport. Gusto ko talaga yung mga ganito. Lahi rajud kayo akong friend. Uy, lahi rajud kayo akong friend. Guys, it's already... What time is it?
11:50.
It's already 11:15 and...
It's too early.
It's too early for the morning. Ay! Ang sama English na, uy. Hello, Chingu! Good morning! Today is more of like exploring, so city tour. Ngayon, nasa Merlion Park kami. Actually, from here, maganda mag-photo because kita mo na agad yung Marina Bay Sands. Tapos, yan yung Helix Bridge. Maganda yan paggabi pag mayroon na siyang lights. And then, kita din dito ang Singapore Flyer. So, yan. Pero if you wanted convenience, pwede kayong mag-book ng tour via SMB Travel. So, dun hop on, hop off lang kayo. Parang it would guide you to different landmarks in Singapore and then without the hassle of like walking pa, transporting, stopping over which station. So, if you want the convenience, you can book via SMB Travel. Yeah, I think that's it. And let's explore Singapore. Grabe, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakabalik ng Singapore. The last time we're here, maybe 2016 or 2017. So, yeah, sobrang madami ng changes. Yeah, we're very, very thankful that we're here and we get to explore the country, even if it's just like 48 hours. So, X steps later, nandito na kami sa Helix Bridge. So, nilakad lang namin yun galing Merlion Park. Walking tour lang talaga siya. So, it's better if you wear comfortable shoes. And if sobrang init, dala kayo ng best friend, mini fan. Cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, nandito na kami sa kabilang side Actually, galing kami doon sa Merlion Park. Diyan kami galing sa Merlion Park. Eto. And then, naglakad kami papuntang Esplanade, which is yan. That one. And then, papuntang Helix Bridge, which is, I don't think kita na from here. And then, from Helix Bridge, it led us to Marina Bay Sands. As you can see, kayang-kaya talaga siyang lakarin. I think it's just 1 kilometer, and then hindi mo kasi siya mafe-feel na sobrang layo niya because sobrang dami mong nakikita. And then pumasok kami sa Esplanade, so hindi rin mainit. And then thankfully today medyo mahangin. After this, pupunta kami ng Gardens by the Bay. Gusto ko lang puntahan yung Skytree. Well, sobrang init pa. We decided to go inside the mall in sa Marina Bay Sands.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we gotta left this party? Cause I can see you probably gonna be scrolling.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Tree Tunnel and sobrang haba ng pila. I would highly suggest napaka early in the morning nyo tong i-place sa itinerary nyo para pagdating nyo dito hindi pa masyadong sobrang daming tao. Ngayon baka hindi na kami pipila. So may tip pala ako sa inyo guys. So if ever na nasa list nyo na puntahan si Fort Canning Park Tree Tunnel, I would suggest you get off at Dobigot Station, Exit B, instead of Fort Canning Park. Kasi mas malapit siya. 350 meters lang ata. Then, nandun na agad kayo sa Tree Tunnel. Ayun lang. We're currently heading to the Bigot Station already. We're just stopping by 7-Eleven to get some water and snacks kasi medyo dehydrated na sis! So, yun. After this, pabalik na kami ng Marina Bay Sands para pumunta kami ng Skytree. And then after, I think, mag-orchard kami.
So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could try.
Hello, I'll get a OCBC Skyway, please.
OCBC for tourists.
Tourist.
The waiting queue is about 20 to 30 minutes.
Sorry?
The waiting queue to go up about 15 minutes. Okay?
We can find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me. Yeah.
So, nakabili na tayo ng ticket. It's with Mina. Ang binili natin is the OCBC Skyway, which costs around 14 SGD. Dito pala namin to binili. Dito lang sa may entrance ng Gardens by the Bay kasi hindi ko siya mahanap sa Klook. Though, I would recommend na Klook na lang kasi most of the time, mas mura siya. But since hindi siya available, kasi yung Skyway lang talaga yung gusto kong i-try. Nakita ko sa ticket na meron silang time limit of 15 minutes. So, as much as possible, susulitin na lang namin tong 15 minutes. Yan. And then, meron pala silang closures, yung OCBC Skyway. I-share ko na lang din dito para just in case you are interested in coming here, aware kayo na close sila na tong dates na to. So, it's June 11, July 9, August 20, September 17, October 8, November 5, and December 10. If punta naman kayo outside of the dates, no issues at all. So, yeah. Hopefully makita namin na magla-light up na yung Skytree, pero sobrang tagal ng sunset nila dito. Kahapon parang around 7:30 PM. Ano pa siya? May pa-sunset pa siya. Parang ganun. So, I'm not sure if maabutan namin kasi after this, we're heading to Orchard to explore that area naman. So, Yeah, let's go!
Do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place.
Yung tawag pala nito guys is Super Tree, hindi siya Sky Tree. Sorry na mix up ko lang. Yung pinaka-shortest daw na Super Tree is 25 meters high, and then ang pinaka-tallest is 50 meters high.
So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape?
Oh my gosh! Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Grabe! Papalit ako.
With me, oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me. Yeah, I see that body.
Sobrang lakas ng hangin, te! Sobrang ganda. Dito sa taas. Like, worth it naman yung $14.
So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights.
ROI natin yung $14. 15 minutes lang. Ayan na naman yung malakas na hangin. Grabe pag humangin dito, the best. I would highly recommend you try the Skyway. Super nice.
It's just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape?
And so, just like that, we're done with the OCBC Skyway. It's not really recommended for those who have fear of heights kasi parang nakakatakot talaga siya, lalo na kapag sobrang lakas ng hangin. Mafe-feel mo talaga na magva-vibrate yung walkway. Pero if wala ka namang fear of heights, sobrang okay siya. Like, na-enjoy ko talaga siya, and lalo na kapag humahangin, parang wow, exciting.
Lumahangin, nagpa-vibrate yung
So, I think, no, 10 over 10. 9 over 10. 9 over 10 to. Yung remaining one is, sana longer siya. Hindi lang 15 minutes. Sana mga, mga 20 minutes. Kasi, masaya siya. Masaya. So, yun lang for today. Sana na siya. Sana mag-light up na to. Gustong-gusto ko na talagang mag-light up na to. Kaso lang, 6 pa. And then, wala pang sunset. Wala pa talaga. And mga 7:30 siguro or 8 magdidilim na to. So, yan. And I think, hindi na ako mag-wait ng 2 hours dito. Next time na lang. Ganda nung namin dito. View namin dito. So, ito yung view namin habang nakaupo lang kami. Tapos, dyan lang naman kayo mag-e-exit. Saan? Dyan kami kanina. And yan lang yung iikutin nyo, guys. Yung walkway na yan sa taas. For 15 minutes. Super, super nice. See you later. Bye!
Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me.
Hello everyone! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Ion Orchard and nasa basement floor kami sa Hopper Street. I ordered siomai and hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Basta may rice laman. Kay Fry is curry. Let's eat! Oh, we are back. So, ang tagal namin dun sa Orchard. Hindi na kami nakalabas nung mall na yon, yung Ion ba yun? Ion Mall? Guys, ipalaila sa tamo sa akong friend. Ang friend, ang pangalan kay Rosen. HK. Wala lang Rosen. Guys, i-subscribe sa iyang channel, Rosan Geek. Nya, wala pa siya nagsugod. Guys, i-subscribe lang daan. Bisabok ito doy. Kung saan ang oras? It's 11:38. And, ambot lang asa mi padung ani niya. Uy, mga lagan man ni gahapon. Alauna namin naabot kapin. Alas 2 na June. Kay boka nga nag-unsa-unsa mi gahapon. Nagtanaw-tanaw mig mga pang-exercise nga to, murag tala-tala.
Murag itanaw, wala gigamit.
Ikaw na mo, guys. Check ka na mo if ang screw kay naa pa ba nakataop.
Nag-audit
Naami task sa among manager sa bahay ni Kuya. Among task kay papaliton daw siya og pagkaon day. So, ambot lang asa mi padung McDo man daw pero so far wa pa makukitag McDo.
Mo na ito.
Oh my gosh.
Abi na kung kinahanglan palit.
Let's go. Naguwat mi nga mo green, dili red. Green o green. Sobo. No, man is Jerry diri. Uy, abi na kung na-address Jerry.
Hindi mo gusto maigis.
Sa ako dalas tubig di.
Salamat.
Ano na kay tubig? Wa man kaning tubig ato. Na yan?
Oh, choose ko.
Iduula ra di diretsing. Ay nganong gahapon sing layo kay tagi-agian.
Kaya nagtuyok-tuyok man tagi.
Hala eh. Mao din ni naka-additional sa akong 30,000 steps ha. Pilit sa tanibi. Kay amaze bi kay kumiga. Oh!
Hayag pa kaayo.
Guys, kuan siya mag-haul siya sa iyahang Happy Meal. Ay, Happy Meal. Ay, Happy Meal. Ang usa na si Tom, ang usa si Jerry.
Ang usa si Jerry. And then si Tom.
Hello, grabe na gid siya day. Alas 12 sa.
Wait, dili man na ang karon. Nganong sayot man yung gihatag.
So mamalik ta. Mamalik mi guys kay sayop ang gihata guys. Mamalik. Asa ba?
Sayot yung gihatag. Di ba katong na-track-track?
Adbay malay ko ba day? Malay ko ba nga truck.
Tanawa sa iyo.
I-review sana mo ang vlog guys ha. Careful the duration. Sayop ang McDo nga crew. Mamalik mi day kay sayop. Sayang ang 5.
Ayaw na.
Oh, dili na mi maman. Dili na daw mi mamalik. Oh, ay ngon ko nga. Excuse me, why is dinisayon nang nako.
Why is it?
Why is
Why is it not
why
like
is yes or no?